When you are with other people, you spend most of the time talking to one another. You both try to look your best when the other is around. You remember random details about each other. They want to be alone with you. They accidentally touch you or lock eyes with you. You can be comfortable together with or without talking. You look for excuse to be around each other. You tease each other and enjoy it. They mirror your behavior and tone to match how you feel. You try to impress each other. You forget other people are in the room. Your conversations tend to be deeper than normal small talk. You can feel the chemistry between you. You appreciate each other's humor. You are having a blast, and your body wants to send a signal to your date to show you can't stop smiling at each other. They notice when something's new with you. Their voice changes when they talk to you.